What in the world?
Holy smokes.
What's up, everybody? In front of us is another one of our work trucks with that floating fiberglass raft on the back there. We actually have a 456 Grady White we're going to. We got to use that raft for one thing. I'll show you when we get there. All right, so we made it out here. Our beautiful 456, and our buddy Carson here is going to help us out. Let me show you actually what happened here. Here at the very front of the boat, we have our bow thruster, which you can see through because there's no prop on it anymore. And the actual bow thruster itself has failed. So we got us a new prop, brand new gear case here. So what we're gonna do is float that raft all the way down the dock here, so Carson can stand here in the water and reach that spot so I can get in the boat. Let's go get the raft. Alright, so we got our raft tied off here, but first we got to run to the boat and get everything out of it so that we can get the gear case off before we float him there and swap it out. So let me show you what we're doing inside. We're jumping on.
Jumping on.
Alright, let's get on this beast. I love these boats. Alright, so we roll into this sweet cabin here. Actually moved everything out of the way real quick because we got to take this plate off right here so we can get to the bow thruster. It's actually a little storage compartment. This opens up and you got all your bed stuff. I push the table down here. You got a button for that right there. Let's put it down a little more. All right, let's get these screws undone. We got our plate off, and here's the Lumar 24 volt bow thruster. It's actually the motor. The gear case is bolted underneath there. So what we gotta do is get these bolts off and the wiring off. That way we can access our gear case to take that off so we can replace it. All right, let's get this out of the way. Right here is just two bolts that hold the gear case in. Let's get them out. All right, we're free. Now when we get out of this hole, we'll run outside here and put the new gear case on. Gear case is out of the hole. Now we got our new one here. New gasket. Get some sealer. Alright, he's gonna hold it in place. I'm gonna run in there and put the bolts in so she's secure. Alright, she's in her hole here. Just gotta get these bolts in. She's secure so we can get her motor back on and give it a test. So now I'm gonna go hand him the prop stuff so we can put the prop on and I'll finish putting the motor back on. Alright, rafting is done. Let's get you out of the water, huh? Alright, we're all put back together. and let's see if it works. So I went to check the bow thruster to make sure it's working. If you look here, we only have 22.6 volts. That's the battery charger working, but our batteries are only test to about 10 volts, which means both of them are dead. That's very uncommon, but usually because they're connected together, one took the other one out. So one of them has a bad cell, the other one probably failed because it was trying to keep up with the other one. Luckily, I got 2 batteries, so let's replace them. All right, the starboard side here, you come down, you gotta pull this, it's got 2 of these same kind of compartments here. You pull one out, here's our 2 batteries. There's actually, in the hole down here, in the very back of the boat, there's 8 more batteries down there, 4 for the house and 1 for each one of those beautiful motors up there. So I've already checked both of these. They're both at 10 volts for some reason. And I try to jump them to get the charger to take over, but they won't come back. All right, so let me get these out of here and then we'll try and test it one more time. All right, we got batteries out. And of course, there's a storm following me. Literally right at my tail. All right, new batteries are in. Now let's see if she works. Well, all right, bow thruster's all good. Got new batteries. I'm gonna shut this one down and head out before that storm hits me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. All right, thanks for your help, man.
Yes, sir.
Till next time.
See you.
Have a good one.